Don't give up, you still have us. Don't give up, 'cause somewhere there's a place where we belong. Rest your head, you worry too much. It's gonna be alright when times get rough. You can't fall back on us. Don't give up, please don't give up. Eh? Yeah, that was nice. Well, hey, BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and right here we've got the lovely and the talented Natasha. Take it down, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the folks. BOOZHOO, everyone. How you doing? And today, maybe we should make our Ojibwe word, GEGO, BOONI. Don't give up? Yeah, like don't quit. GEGO, BOONI. Don't give up. Don't give up. Please don't give up. And, kids, that's some, those are some wise words. Don't give up. GEGO. BOONI. GEGO, don't. BOONI. Don't quit. It's, unless you got a bad habit, of course. But otherwise, that's, that's not, we just covered the 7 Anishinaabe values. Uh-huh. And, quitting isn't one of those values. It's not like the elders said, hey, you know what? When the going gets tough, just, cash it in. Quit, go home. Don't try anymore. No, they don't say that. You must try your best. Mm-hmm. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, GEGO, BOONI. Don't quit. And I'm saying that to people who are trying their best on something. You can do it. Just keep going. All right. You got anything you want to add to this? No, that's pretty good. All right. Well, hey, let me just say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching the show. Miigwech. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Min. Minowa. Oh. Got to walk out of here. I can't take anymore. Gonna stand on that bridge. Leave my hands down below. Whatever may come and whatever may go. That river flows, that river flows. Hey, what a bummer of a song. Thanks. What should we sing? I don't know, I kind of like that song. You do? Yeah. Don't give up, 'cause you have friends.